Hi guys, I'm here with the new E.File. So I'm going to be talking you through this today. So when you unpackage your machine, it will come with some clear packaging film on there. You do need to remove that from the screen. Plug in your cord, and then on the front you're going to plug your handpiece into where it says motor. Once you're on, we have got our on switch on the back. I'm going to turn that on. It has now bleeped at me with coming up with the 0 on the unit. So that means that it's now on and running. Initially, I'm just going to unclip. So I'm going to get the 2 arrows and just push them to the left until it makes a click sound, and that's going to remove just the unit that it comes with just for packaging. Now it's ready for me to put in any of my attachments. So depending on which application or which process you're at, doing the nails is going to depend on what speed you're going to run your machine. So when it comes to doing some preparation for your natural nail or preparing any enhancement, I'm going to place in my preparation tool, which is a diamond barrel in a medium grit. And if you're a beginner, you want to set your speed at roughly 2000 revs per minute. If you're an advanced, you're going to be working with at 3000 revs per minute. But first of all, I'm just going to go through the functions of the E.File with you. So initially, as you can see, it's set now at 0, and I have got an F for forward. So that's if I'm a right-handed and I'm using it in the forward motion. If you're a left-handed customer, you're going to flick the button where it says forward reverse, and that's going to switch it straight over to if you're working left-handed. I'm a right-handed, so I'm going to work in forward, so I've got that selected right now. Now, like I said, you've got your speeds as your option when you're using your preparation tool. I'm an advanced technician, so I'm going to select 3000 revs per minute. So I'm just going to push my dial until I hit 3. So that's 3000 revs. Once I'm ready, I can get my tool and I'm just going to press the motor on, and I'm now running at 3000 revolutions per minute. Once I'm finished, again, I'm just going to press the power or the motor off, and it turns it straight off. It's still, however, selected and running at 3000 revolutions per minute. So if you need to pick up where you finished, it will just continue running. So I'm now going to use my tool just on that natural nail on 3000 revs, which is absolutely perfect for all of my preparation. Again, if you're a novice customer, I would recommend working at 2000 revs per minute. So now I'm going to be using my E.File to remove some soak-off gel like Go Time or Manicure. This time round, I have got in my safety bit in the medium attachment. Again, if you're a novice, I would be using that on a speed of 6000 revolutions a minute, which will be selected at 6 on your screen. If you're an advanced technician, you can then turn that up to 8000 revolutions a minute. So you've got the option to use between 6000 and 8000 revs per minute. Again, I'm just going to now press the motor on button, and it automatically will go straight to that speed. And I can now remove my soak-off gel. So now I'm going to be filing down my enhancement. So this time round, I've got some acrylic on a nail. So if you're filing over an acrylic or a synergy gel nail, or you're looking at cutting in your new smile line, we're now going to turn our speed up, and I'm going to work at 15, which is 15,000 revolutions per minute. So again, I'm just going to turn my dial until that turns around and hits the 15. Again, I've still got mine in forward motion because I'm a right-handed technician, and all I need to do is tap the motor on and it's automatically going to rotate now at 15,000 revs per minute. So now I can go straight in to my shaping of the nail or cutting out my new smile line. Now that I've finished filing my enhancement in, all that I need to do is just press the motor off button and it's automatically going to stop. I can then undo my handpiece. It's going to open that shut to remove my attachment. I'm just going to sit my attachment in the cradle where the handpiece is sitting. Once I'm finished at the end of the day, I'm going to turn the off button and now it's completely turned off. We hope you enjoy your E.File